Hello! In this video I will show you how time zone is managed in ScandiPWA. So different time zone can be set on the website level and will determine the time when the orders get created. So let's see the configurations for two different websites. Here I have the German website, where the time zone is set to Europe, Berlin. And here I have the United Kingdom website, where the time zone is set to London. So if I place two different orders on two different websites, which will be German and UK, I open my orders in backend, I refresh them, and I have two new orders. So let's see. In German website, we have the order which was created by Berlin time at 4 p.m. While from the United Kingdom website, we have the order which was created by London time at 3 p.m.